Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So I'm gonna be doing another video of how to put your brand new steering wheel on, your brand new steering wheel cover onto your steering wheel. As you guys can see, these steering wheels are pretty tight, brand new. It doesn't look like it'll be able to fit onto your steering wheel, but this is made out of leather or some synthetic material that will stretch. So we are going to be doing this from the very get-go, and I'm going to show you guys how to put this on. What you'll be needing is some kind of prying tool, but if you guys have a screwdriver, it'll do. So let's get started. First of all, what you guys want to do is you guys want to have your car on, all right? You guys want to have your car on because you guys want to set your steering wheel center. Once you guys have your steering wheel center, you're going to turn your car off, all right? Once you guys turn your car off, there should be very minimal play with your steering wheel because you're going to want it to be stabilized when you put the steering wheel cover. All right, guys, so we are back after getting this. All right, so as you guys can see, it doesn't look like it'll fit. As you guys can see, it doesn't look like it'll fit, right? Yeah. So basically what you guys want to do at this point, once you situate your steering wheel right, is you want to, you guys want to set up where you guys want the seams to be. All right, so this is the way I prefer it to look, and this is the way the pattern is. So I'm just gonna put it up this way. Hopefully, I think this is the right amount of inches. So as you guys can see, it doesn't look like it's gonna fit. Now there's different size, steering wheels, and I'm hoping that this is the correct steering wheel. This is the correct size. All right, so this is how we have it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use I'm gonna use a screwdriver. You guys can use whatever you want. I'm gonna use a screwdriver, okay? I'm gonna put it under here, and we're gonna get this here. All right, we're gonna get that there. Wait. All right. I know, just stay with me, guys. All right, just stay with me, because this looks to be okay. All right, I know it seems to be monumentally, it's probably not gonna work, but I'm like 99% sure that this is the correct size. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the steering wheel, and we're gonna take the screwdriver. All right, so as you guys can see, I have this portion on already. So on this side, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put all right, so it looks like it's coming into shape. All right, so obviously, like I said, it's gonna stretch, and it does stretch, and this is the correct size steering wheel, even though it doesn't look like it. Now, you guys should not be frustrated with this. I've done these videos before, have had a lot of people tell me they can't do it, or believe me, trust me. All right, I think there's 15-inch steering wheels and 14-inch steering wheels. Like, this fits 14.5 to 15.5. There was a larger steering wheel. Now, if you guys can't get this to work with your steering wheel, you might need a bigger size steering wheel, but the fitting should be tight. The fitting should be tight. All right, so we got most of the steering wheel cover on, and like I said, if you guys don't need to use you guys don't need to use, if you guys don't need to use, whatchamacallit, a screwdriver, but it's on. It's on. As you guys can see, you guys probably didn't believe me, but it's on. You might want to just, if it's not perfectly aligned with the pattern or whatever, you guys could actually try to take it off and redo it again if you guys want. I'm not gonna do that right now because it's on, you know, it's on pretty good, and the where the pattern is not really that important to me. It fits. I mean, once you guys put it on, taking it off and putting it on again, it's a lot easier. Reason being is it's already stretched out, right? It's already stretched out, but this is the way it looks. If you guys have a comment, leave a comment in the comment section. Hope this has helped you guys out. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Always great to hear from you guys. I always have great responses from you guys. Even if you guys don't have a great response to this video, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Anyway, appreciate your time. All right, guys, take care.